To number 63, to number 6, jump shot, no good. To go by number 27, to number 9, to number 19, to number 9, good ball. Number 81. To number 10, from downtown, no good. Number 6, hip drop, no good. To go by number 63, in ball. To number 10, from downtown, 3 ball. Number 9, to number 15, to number 27, no good. Offensive rebound. From down, no good. Rebound by number. Jump shot, 2 points. Number 67 to number 63, 2 points. Number 9, no good. No good again. Pass to number 10, 2 points. Number 9, drive. Number 63, 10 seconds to shoot. Jump shot, no good. Pick up by number 55, pass to number 20 from downtown. 3 points. No good. Pick up by number 20 from downtown. No good. Downtown. 3 points. Number 10. Here drop. 2 points. No good. Pick up by number 34. Pass to number 12. To number 10. Drive. No good. Rebound by number 8. Pick up by number 20. To number 55. Block. Rebound by 163. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Over there. To number 12. To number 55. Steal. Pick up by number 81. Santos. To number 5. Number 10. Jump shot, 2 points. Number 10 from downtown, 3 points. To number 34. Back to number 15 from downtown, no good. Number 10 drive, 2 points. Number 34, still. Back to number 12, still. Fast break. Number 10, double. Number 5. To number 99, 2 points. To number 5, jump shot, no good. Number 41 to number 12, from downtown, no good. 2 points. To number 81, steal. Jump shot, no good. Pick up by Santos, 2 points. To number 27, from downtown, no good. Pick up. Second and basketball. Number 15 to number 19, jump shot, no good. Rebound by from downtown, no good. Basically, by number 23. Second and basket. Number 15, clear drop, 2 points. Second and number 15. Back to number 39 to number 27. No good. Pick up by number 45. Jump shot, no good. Number 23. Steal. Number 18. Good shot. Good shot. Take it. Basket again.